Hello friends, we will see today how to convert fractions into decimal numbers. For doing this, you have two ways. First way is to directly divide the numerator by denominator, and another way is making your denominator like question number 4 is 3 by 2. You can make its denominator in terms of 100. Uh, if it is not possible, you can directly divide the numerator by denominator. But in case if it is possible to make your denominator in terms of 100, 1000 or 10, you can make it according to condition, because the conversion of such type of numbers who have denominator in terms of 100, in terms of 1000 is very easy. like in this question like in this question you can see here 100 is written, two zeros are there in denominator. I will count two digits from right side, 1 2, and I will write decimal after two digits because two zeros are there in denominator. So our answer will be 2.43. In question number second, it is 42 upon 10. One zero is only written, so I will count from right side 1, that is 2 only. I will write decimal after one digit because 10 is there in denominator, so answer should be 4.2. In question number 3, here it is not in proper form because 500 is written. You need 1, so what can you do is multiply 2 in both numerators and denominators. You will got 2 3 is 6, 2 0 is 0, 2 4 is 8, and in denominator 1000. 3 zeros in denominator, so you have to count 3 digits from right side, 1 2 3, and add decimal after 3 digits, and after adding 3 digits after decimal you will got answer 0.806. Fourth question is 3 by 2. You have to make also this digit in terms of 100, 1000 but the digit is only single digit, so I will must multiply 5 in both denominators and numerators. We will got 5 3 is 15 upon 10. 10 is in denominator, so we should count from right side up to one digit, that is only 5, so we'll add decimal after 5. 1.5 should be the right answer. If you want to done simply this question, you can divide it like this: 2 1 ja 2, 3 3 minus 2 1, then point 10, 2 5 ja 10. So answer will be same, but methods are different, so you can adopt any of the methods explained here. Thank you very much. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe.